Hey folks, Meech Makers. Hey, I'm going to try out a new setup here to videotape a little bit. You can tell by the thermometer behind me, it's pretty hot. Of course, this is inside the barn, so we're going to take a walk and we're going to walk around. I'm going to show you what's going on around here, okay? Let's see what we can find. Wow. All right, folks, heading over here, I'm going to show you. We got our, the other day I was kind of disappointed, but there we go, that's better. We ordered 20 meat birds for meat chickens for basically we raise them. It takes them about 10 weeks to maturity, and then we process them and put them in the freezer, and we get to have chicken year round. Well, we ordered 20 meat birds from a hatchery that is very reputable. I have no complaints. I don't know what happened, but when they sent us 20 meat birds and one surprise, which is 21 birds. When they arrived, I only had 7 living, and the rest of them were dead in the bottom of the box. So they're doing good. They're gonna. I mean, the hatchery is going to replace them with no problem. So, like I say, I have no complaints. They're doing good by me. Okay, but what I want to show you is some of the chickens. So I'm going to switch around here. All right, let's look down here. Look at here. These are 7 of the supposedly 21 birds that we ordered, and the other 14 will be here next week. But these are, well, let's see. I guess they're probably about 72 hours old now, something like that. You can tell they're doing good. It feels really good. So, okay. All right, so let's go for a walk. As you can tell, this is our barn, and where we keep our tractor and all right, well, let's go for a walk. Let's take a walk down and we'll see what we can find. The turkeys, see how the turkeys are going. They're, let's see, today's Friday. Oh, wow. So this weekend, our turkeys are going to be 3 weeks old. That's pretty cool. I didn't realize that. So, it's a beautiful day here on Meech Makers. It's obviously pretty hot, but you know what? Let's look at it from this perspective. Okay? Yeah. All right. It's you can tell the chickens are not doing too much. It's pretty hot out, so they're pretty much staying in the shade as much as they can. And as I walk through this dust bucket, because that's basically all it is, if you look down here, watch as I look at this. Yep. Okay, so anyways, dust bucket. But anyways, we're gonna go down here, and my son and I have been working. We started putting the fence up, and obviously we didn't have it right, so we didn't have enough posts between the fence. You can see here, this fence is pretty loose here, but what we did is we came over here and we started putting our fence up. This right here is going to be a gate. This is a gate right here. Okay. And then we go right along here. This is going to be, I think we marked it off at 360 feet. And now we're going to walk right down this line. Pretty nice out here. You can see there in the background, that's our turkey coop. Yep. So let's see what the turkeys are up to today. Look at here. Let me turn you around here. There we go. There we go. Hello, turkeys. Hello, turkeys. They're getting big, aren't they? They're going to be 3 weeks old. Can't believe it. Hello, turkeys. Hello, turkeys. Pretty cool, huh? Stay tuned. All right, well, that was the turkeys. Okay, they're doing pretty good. Let's take a walk and see what the chickens are up to today. Oh, it's bright out here, that's for sure. Boy, it sure is hot out. But as we come up here, all right, folks. Gosh, it's hot. Hopefully my phone doesn't, or my camera doesn't overheat and shut off. But I'm going to get here in the shade for a second, and I'm going to turn around and I'll let you see what the girls are up to. They're all trying to stay warm, try to stay cool. It's so hot out here. Look at them all. Hello, ladies. This time of day, which is, I don't know, what time is it? This time of day, it's pretty hot, and they don't do a whole heck of a lot. So, all right, guys, I'm going to let it go. I'm going to let you go, and we'll see what we can't do another day. All right, guys, have a good one.